ClickDesigns Review. The #1 graphics and design software. A new product has come to my attention and I felt compelled to review it because it's different from the other design tools out there. It's the first design software that caters to page builders like WordPress, Elementor, ClickFunnels, and many more. Because of this focus on page builders, it eliminates the need for webmasters and coders. That's promising, isn't it? So let's take a quick look at ClickDesigns and see if it keeps up with the hype it's getting. What is ClickDesigns? ClickDesigns is a point-and-click design powerhouse for beautiful, high-converting graphics, designs, and pages. You can easily transform your blogs, websites, sales funnels into powerful selling machines, saving you a huge amount of time and money. It is your one-stop shop for logos, box shots, covers, reports, digital mockups, product bundles, graphics, and much more for your business and your clients. If you're a freelancer or looking for another source of income, ClickDesigns will make it easy for you. ClickDesigns is truly newbie-friendly and requires no creative or technical skills and experience from its users. It will empower you to churn out designs after designs, maximizing your income potential. You can literally create designs in minutes. Just imagine how many designs you can produce in an hour. This is a side gig that can give you a full-time income. ClickDesigns is definitely a must-have for marketers. Various design software are geared towards social media and blog posts. ClickDesigns takes it a step further. It is truly eliminating the need for middlemen in setting up your website. It is the only design software that caters to page builders and sales funnels. Even if you have zero knowledge of HTML, you can design your own website or sales funnel. ClickDesigns makes it so easy by giving design outputs that are web-ready. All you really need to do once your designs are done is upload or publish it to your site. If you're a business owner, no matter what business you're in, you will benefit thoroughly from having ClickDesigns on your side. You will save yourself a lot of time, money, and troubles. If you purchase ClickDesigns through my link, I will throw in my custom bonuses. It contains ebooks and software to help grow any online business. Bonuses can be viewed by clicking the link in the description.